What's up, guys? Welcome to Lucky's DIY Garage. So in this video we're going to be replacing spark plugs on a 1999 Nissan Frontier. Let's go. Alright, so now we're just going to open the hood. So first things first, we're going to remove the spark plug wires. If you're not familiar with the firing order, you can also mark them cylinder 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's remove the wires. Just keep them in the same order. Number 4 will just stuff right there. Now grab yourself a 5/8 spark plug socket. Let's start removing the spark plugs. There's our 1. That's number 2. Cylinder 3. And cylinder 4. This was our misfire issue. Alright guys, we got the old plugs out. Now let's get the new ones. Here's all the new plugs. And that is the part number. Now let's open them up and let's add anti-seize to the threads. Let's just put a little on the threads. Now let's reinstall the spark plugs, and remember, hand tighten first. You never want to just put it in and start ratcheting at it, because you might cross threads and strip the threads out. So now snug them down until it bottoms out. So now what we're going to do is torque them down. If you don't have a torque wrench, you could just put it in facing one direction and then just give it a 1 turn, another turn, give it an extra one right there. Do the same for the rest. Then right there, we'll turn, half turn. What you're going to do is half, and then halfway a little bit there. You're going to go half turn, and one more. There. And now grab your wires, and for now we'll just seat them on top because we will be replacing the wires too. Just so we know the place, we'll just set them like that, like that. So after you grab your new wires, just set them down like that by size, and then you grab your original wire, measure it next to it, and then you swap it with that one. So let's start with cylinder 1. So you grab the wire, pop it out of its clip, and you're just going to follow it to the distributor cap, pull out that one, and let's go measure that one. Grab your old wire, measure it to whatever the shortest one. So it's going to be this one. Install it. So before installing the spark plug wire, let's put some dielectric grease. Just like that. Install the wire until you hear it click. Feed it through, put it install, clip it in. And there you go. Now we're going to do cylinder 2. Do the same thing. Remove it. It's going to be that one. There we go. Now we grab our other wire, measure it to this one. This is the size. What we're going to do is reconnect it. There you go. And after that, same thing. See here, click. And like that. Now grab cylinder 3. Feed it through. Pop it off the clip. Come here at this clip too. And now it's going to be this one right here. Okay. And then again, measure the size. It's going to be this one. Let's go. Now just reconnect it. Now just reinstall it on the clips. And that dielectric grease. Like that. and reconnect it. Now the last one, cylinder 4. Same thing. It's gonna be the last one. That one, number 4. And now again, of course, it's gonna be the last one. Okay, let's go. Reconnect it. There we go. Push it through, of course. Dielectric grease. Just reinstall it till you hear a click. And of course, put it on its clips. There you go. And also, guys, another way, some of them actually put the numbers on it: 1, 2, 3, and 4. But most of the spark plug wires won't even have numbers. So that's why I put them all from smallest to biggest, and then just measure cylinder 1, and the next, cylinder 2, cylinder 3, and go on from that. That's also a way you can figure it out. Alright guys, so now we're gonna go start the vehicle up. 1, 2, and 3. Man, that just sounds a lot better. It was misfiring on cylinder 4. It just sounds way better. I don't know if you can hear it in the camera, but it sounds amazing. So let's close the hood and go for a test drive. Actually feels a lot better. We'll find out on the street. Okay, so I'll go this way. Alright guys, and that's it. Actually went well. I felt a lot more power into it. I'll see you guys on the next video.